Imagine a world where understanding, empathy, and emotional support are just a click away. Welcome to LightPath, a unique online forum dedicated to mental health. Here, you'll find a community ready to listen, share, and uplift. From seeking advice on stress management to discussing the intricacies of emotional resilience, LightPath caters to every facet of mental well-being. It's a safe haven, a beacon of hope for those navigating the often tumultuous seas of mental health. Join us in our mission to break the silence around mental health because no one should have to walk this path alone. LightPath, your guide to a healthier, happier mind. Remember, it's okay to reach out and it's okay to ask for help. On LightPath, you're never alone. Explore LightPath today and let your journey to better mental health begin, because as every step you take is a step towards light.
Slide. So good day, everyone, and we are Group 3 from the SIT 44, and we initiate a website which is called a Mental Health Forum or STI, but now we transition to our new branding, which is LightPath, guiding users towards a brighter mental well-being. So next slide, please. So here we introduce our team. My name is Joey Lariaga, and I am the project manager.
My name is Joshua Antonio. I'm the Assistant Project Manager.
Hi, my name is Lovely Nicole Constantino, the System Analyst.
I'm Rogin Palomiki, the system developer.
I am Catherine L. Pasadilla, the system developer.
Hi, I'm Mary Angeline Maristella, the system designer.
I am Diane Bernaldez, a system designer.
Hi, I'm Janus Lindago, the Quality Assurance Specialist.
I'm Jasmine Risa Signi, document specialist.
Hi, I am Casey Carl Tomamaw, document specialist.
And that's all. That's our team. Before we proceed to our problem statement, let us first introduce why we chose on creating a website regarding mental health. So as we know, not everyone has a pre or well versed on their mental health. Hindi lahat ng tao ay nakakatanggap ng libre or free advice when it comes into their mental health. Sabi nga nila, health is wealth, and we will also count mental health as our own wealth. Kumbaga, when you value your mental health, you also value your well-being. So let me also introduce our beautiful Miss Lovely Nicole, which is our primary benefactor or the one that initiated this project.
Good day everyone, and I would explain why naisip ko yung idea na to regarding sa system. First and foremost, I have a younger sister na nagsuffer from mental illness, which is depression. So, naisip ko yung system na to kasi at that time, nung nagkaroon siya ng anxiety/depression, is walang-wala rin kaming pera. So, for that, kayod kalabaw yung parents ko para lang makapagpa-consult siya sa specialist ng mental health, like psychiatrist. Pero, ayun nga, hindi kinaya. So, for this project, naisip ko yung idea na to provide Filipinos a free site na kaya nilang accesses ng walang consultation fee na hindi sila magbabayad. Kasi mostly na nakikita kong mga sites, they cost too much na hindi naman kakayanin ng mga taong Pilipino. Kasi tayong mga Pilipino ay isang uri ng tao na mas pipiliin na lang gastusin or igastos ang pera sa mga bagay na importante like pagkain. At doon mostly nagsasuffer ang mga tao na imbis na mapagaling nila yung sarili nila, mas iniisip na lang nila muna yung pangkakain nila kaysa igastos ng ganun. So this site not only will help Filipinos and other people, it will provide a safe space and it will connect other peoples to each other regarding their conditions. Yun lang po.
So with that out of the way, we will now proceed to our three problem statements regarding our project.
So as for the problem statement number 1, so first is the lack of free space for someone to talk about what they are going through. So the problem statement number 1, the issue here is that there is no a good place for those people for them to really talk about their problems and feelings. So many people go through many people go sometimes sa mga mahihirap na pinagdadaanan, whether it's about their mental health or just an everyday challenges. So the problem here is that they don't have a safe and open space to share on what they are going through. So this lack of a safe space can make them feel lonely and make their difficulties even harder. So our solution to this will be also discussed later. So proceed to the problem statement number 2.
So problem statement number 2, not all Filipinos can afford expensive monthly subscription for profitable websites related to mental health forums. So dahil sa kakulangan ng pera ng maraming Filipinos, maraming hindi nakakabili ng mahal na buwanang monthly subscription para sa mental health forums. Ito ay nagiging hadlang sa access sa mahalagang suporta para sa kalusugan ng isipan, lalo na't mas pinapalalim ang issue sa digital na inclusion at nagiging sanhi na mas malalang social disparities. Sa kabila nito, 3.6 million Filipinos ang apektado ng mental, neurological at substance use disorder ayon sa Department of Health. Ang pangangailangan para sa abot-kayang mga platform sa larangan ng mental health forums ay mas lumalala sa gitna ng mga paghihirap ng karamihan ng mga Pilipino. Next problem statement.
Problem statement number 3. Mental health is neglected and not given proper attention. The assertion that mental health is neglected and not given proper attention is rooted in various factors such as stigma and misunderstanding, lack of awareness, limited resources, social and cultural factors, workplace and educational pressures, lack of integration in healthcare systems, and lastly, policy and legislative gaps. Those are the factors that contributes to the stigma and under prioritization of mental health issues. Next.
Solution proposition number 1. Safe space for ranting and posting about their personal problems. Our website aims to create a platform where individuals feel comfortable in expressing their frustrations, concerns, or personal issues without fear of judgment or criticism. We aim to create a supportive and empathic community where people can openly share their thoughts and emotions. Next po.
So for solution proposition number 2, free consultation from volunteer psychiatrists. Bali dito po, maghahanap kami ng mga volunteer psychiatrists na libreng magbibigay ng advice sa mga user na gusto ring humingi ng advice about sa mental condition nila. Kasi if there's a volunteer psychiatrist na online, kagaya ng sa forum namin, may power siya na magbigay ng advice, free consultation, tsaka pwede niya ring ma-reply agad yung mga inquiries ng mga user by sending emails.
So the third solution is promoting mental health awareness to everyone. So the website is a mental health forum where individuals can discuss and share experiences. It actively promotes mental health awareness by sharing information and resources to enhance understanding. We also have articles, flags that can be read by the user so that it will aware them from the current situation about mental health.
Yung SSS, hindi yung Social Security. No, it is the start small scale. So sa start small scale namin, ito yung binabanggit ko kanina sa where or saan kami pwede magsimula muna. Ito yung sa mga barangay na tinutukoy ko, yung mga little communities. Since we are like small team lang naman kami, hindi naman namin kagad kayang i-publicize to sa lahat. Lahat din namin pwedeng i-start kagad to sa malalaking groups. Sabihin nating mga organizations or WHO, yung World Health Organization. Di naman namin kaya kagad yon. So we can start small scale, like yung barangays or yung mga little communities. So next slide would be marketing the project. So kung iisipin nyo, yung sa start small scale, di naman siya mahirap. Isipin ng iba mahirap siya, isipin ng iba madali. So, is it simple? It may be, it may not. Pero dahil sa prosesong ginagawa namin, our team can start little by little. So, kung mag-move forward kami, pwede na namin i-market yung product, yung project, which is marketing the project. So, if we were successful in moving forward sa aming project, kaya na namin tong i-cater, not dun sa barangay lang. So, mas malaki na yung kaya namin gawin. So, pwedeng mag-medium scale na kami. So, paano namin may market to online? Paano namin may market tong aming project, itong Lightpath? Yung first, namin dito is online. So, since sa online, marami nang pwedeng maka-access since siguro naman lahat ng tao meron ng cellphone, others have laptops, PCs, or tablets. So since lahat naman ng tao ngayon ay may cellphone na, since parang necessity na siya ngayon and it's 20th century, karamihan may mga cellphone na ginagamit-gamit na nila and pwede nilang ma-access yung aming Lightpath website through online. Since wala pa kaming app na nagagawa, a website is a must and yun, pwede nilang magamit yun. Next.
And as for the team capability, the team is capable in doing the respective task within a given time frame and deadline. And each one of us has our own primary goal to achieve what is the main goal of our project, which is to provide a pre mental health forum or website to help our fellow countrymen. And each one of us has their own unique set of skills that help us in achieving this goal. So now we will proceed to our demo of the system, which will consist of the main system itself and its functionalities and features.
So, sa pag-create po ng account, kiklik lang yung sign up. Then, ta-type yung display name, email address, password, confirm password. Then, pagka na-fill upan na yan, need ma-check yung agree to the terms of use para mag-continue. Then, pagka-click, create my account. Pagkagawa ng account, bali po si admin po yung mag-a-approve ng account ni user para ma-activate yung account niya. For example po, si user, yan, pa-click po ng user. Kiklik yung approve para ma-activate yung account, tapos ban para hindi matuloy yung activation ng account. Then balik po sa website.
Pagkapasok sa website, unang makikita sa website na to ay mga forums. Sa forums na to, makita mga categories na katulad ng general mental health discussion, anxiety disorder, depression support, bipolar disorder, etc. Kung pag pinindot ang mga categories na to, malalaman mo makita mo yung mga information about sa specific categories na to. If may gusto pong idagdag po sa kanilang categories, pipindutin lang po ang start new topic. Dito, mamimili ka kung saang category kang nararapat, katulad ng general mental health discussion. If kinontinue to, dito ka magsisimula ng sarili mong topic. If ilalagay lang ang gusto nyong title, descriptions, and continue lang sa submit topic. Si admin ang bahala mag-accept ng articles or categories kung ito'y valid for or valid or benefit to sa kanyang website. Events.
As we can see here, in this page, makita nyo dito yung event. So, pwede tayong mag-create ng event. And then, magsiset lang tayo ng date and time dito sa page na to. And then, mag-create tayo ng title. Kung gusto niyo mag-add ng tags, ayan, pwede tayong mag-tags. And then, the description of the event. And pwede rin po tayong lagay dito ng picture or sabi natin pwedeng i-album na siya and the location of the event. And then after that, submit na po.
Next po is yung user articles. Articles posted by the users will be displayed in this page po. Yung users nakakapag-react, comment, and if yung article po is may nilalaman na misinformation or is offensive, pwede pong i-report ng user yung article na yun sa admin. Next po. So, ito po yung user guidelines. Sa page na to, yung guidelines in terms and conditions ng website is madi-display. Katulad po ng acceptance of terms, forum purpose, user eligibility, user conduct, confidentiality, professional advice, moderation and content removal, intellectual property, external links, forum changes, disclaimer of liability, at saka po yung contact information. Next po.
Ito naman po sa online users, may kita yung mga user na currently online in real time. And also may kita rin yung kung saan silang page na naka-online, naka-open. And next po. And then sa all activity page naman po, may kita yung mga updates, whether yung mga nag-post, nag-follow, nag-comments, or nag-react. So for example po, yung nasa pinakataas, yung Janice's birthday, may kita po yung time kung kailan pinost and also kung sino po yung nag-post.
Para naman po sa my activity streams, dito makikita natin yung mga unread contents and yung mga content na sinimulan ni users yan sa content address, and then the content na pina-follow ni user and yung members na ipinalo ni user, and kung ano yung mga na-post na ni user na mga contents like threads, forums, ganun po.
Now, sa support naman po, by clicking new request, pwedeng mag-report si user kay admin kung meron man siyang gustong i-report or kung may gusto siyang i-add na feature sa forum. Tapos pwede rin siya diyan mag-chat kay psychiatrist kung meron siyang gustong itanong na advice o hingin na advice kay psychiatrist. Ito-type lang niya diyan. After niya maklik yung save, magda-direct na yung message ni user sa email ni psychiatrist.
So that's all for our presentation, and thank you very much for listening and watching our presentation of the LightChat, a mental health forum website that is aimed for helping our fellow countrymen that are experiencing mental health problems. Thank you very much.